Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to remove contacts from the hidden contacts menu in Messenger. If you're looking to clean up your hidden contacts list and remove specific accounts, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into our full guide. If you haven't downloaded the Messenger app yet, no worries. We'll guide you through the process step by step. Head over to the Play Store and in the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon featuring a sideways lightning bolt. It has a beautiful gradient between purple and blue. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then hit the install button. Great! Now that you have Messenger installed, it's time to sign in. Open the app and sign in using your Facebook account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your chat list. To remove contacts from the hidden contacts menu, follow these steps. Tap on the 3 stacked horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From there, tap on the gear icon next to your username to access the settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Privacy and Safety. Within this section, you'll find an option called Hidden Contacts. Tap on it. Now you'll see a list of all the accounts that you have hidden. This list includes the contacts you want to remove. Scroll through the list and find the account you wish to remove. Next, tap on the Unhide option next to the account you want to remove from the hidden contacts list. By doing this, the account will no longer be hidden and will be removed from the hidden contacts menu. That's it. You've successfully removed a contact from the hidden contacts menu in Messenger. This will help you keep your contacts organized and decluttered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy messaging.